Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Lexmark printer. I have Lexmark MB22 and 36i, but if you have any Lexmark printer 22 and 00 series, you can use this manual to resolve your problems. So now I'll show you how to scan files using your Lexmark printer and your mobile device. I'll show you how to do it using iOS device, but the same manual is for Android devices too. So, firstly, we need to install Lexmark mobile print application from the App Store. So, open App Store, find your Lexmark mobile print app, click download, and download it. Then click open, help, get started, remind me later, swipe right, here click add a device. Your device needs to be connected to the Wi-Fi network, the same Wi-Fi network that your iPhone connected. Then click search, click hello, find here your Lexmark, then click skip. And great, as you can see, here we have scanner, here we have clipboard, web, photos, and now we need to scan. So click scanner, scanner is my Lexmark, so here you need to choose your Lexmark, of course, then click scan, click. Okay, so now I need to place the document I want to scan. I will use this image, so just place your document in the copy tray, then click begin, hello, wait a while, scanning, and click send. Scan complete. Scan complete. Scan data received successfully. Press done to see results. Click done, and great. Here is great. Here I have my scan from my Lexmark printer. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.